Hi guys, I want you to show the difference between old school and how the clutch is mounted on the stump of the clutch side jig. This part, but we come to that later. So the classic screw for a clutch is a crown motor. Looks like that. And this crown motor is saved with a small metal basket like this, and you need a special tool for this crown motor. You first put on this safety basket, the small one, and then you fix the screw. Yeah, you need a special tool for that, and this thing is just fucking annoying. A lot of people also use used crown motors. They don't replace it with a new one. This damages the tool, and yeah, a lot of danger to get hurt. So the way better option than this nowadays is just to use a collar nut with a washer, the teeth, and you don't need any special tool for it. Just a simple nut, 14 or 15. We don't need this old school stuff. Let's put it away. We use the new collar nut. First the washer, then the collar nut, but you put additional screw lock on it. And you simply use a nut for it. 45 to 60 Newton meter, and that was it. Yeah. Together with the inner clutch part, it looks like this. That's the clutch. Put on the crank stump, the washer, and the collar. The collar nut with screw lock. And the standard nut. Old school crap.